to me. You did. He's mine. He belongs to me. Call me crazy, but you can't blame me. 'Cause have you seen his butt in those jeans? Alright. Alright. I'm not a creep, just watching him sleep. Pick strands of his hair that I'm gonna keep. Alright. Alright. And all those girls are not true fans. Everybody wanna steal my guy. Everybody wanna take away my babe. If you touch him, you're gonna die. I'm not crazy, but he belongs to me. Everybody wanna steal my guy. Every girl thinks that he's just hers to take. Don't forget that he's only mine. You should back him 'cause he belongs to me. I know, he's got a restraining order. But I know, he's just not sure what he really wants. Everybody wanna steal my guy. Everybody wanna take away my babe. If you touch him, you're gonna die. I'm not crazy, but he belongs to me.
It's you and all these little things. Your hand fits in mine like it's made just for me. But bear this in mind, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks. It all makes sense to me. I know you've never loved the crinkles by your eyes when you smile. You've never loved your stomach with thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine. But I love them endlessly. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you, oh it's you. They add up to I'm in love. And all these little things.
Can't go to bed without a cup of tea. Maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations are the secrets that I keep, though it makes no sense to me.
I know you never loved the sound of your voice on tape. You never want to know how much you weigh. You still have to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if it's true,